Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like and hit that subscribe button. If you're not new here, you already know the drill. Okay, so for today's video, we got a little interesting video. If you saw my last video, which I talk about my little wish list, stuff that I want to purchase from Amazon and Sephora, I kind of got some of those stuff already. So I'm gonna be showing y'all all of them that I got. They are right here. I'm gonna be opening this one and I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I got a lot of stuff for me and now I got a lot of stuff that I need and a lot of stuff for my kids. So if you have kids, maybe this video will be for you because you will probably see something and be like, oh, I want to get that, you know. I finally joined the wagon. I got the Kellyart, I don't know if I'm saying that right, markers. I'm gonna get the Opuhu ones, but these were on the cheaper side. Oh my god, there is so many of them. Oh my god. Y'all, these are so pretty. Oh my god. So if I had to get the colors, like I would know for sure because they had so many that had so many grays, so many reds, so many greens, but especially our grays. And this on Amazon, I'll be linking down everything in the description box so y'all can see what's up. Another one, I think this was like a bundle, not like a bundle, but oh, technically yeah, I feel like they threw like 3 stuff in here. So let's open this up and let's see what it is. It's a little my bilingual busy book. So my kid already has one. I feel like he's really good with it already. Like he knows everything that goes except for the ABCs. And I got this one because this one has I do want to start teaching him the days of the week and the seasons. No, not the seasons, the days of the week and the months of the year, like January, February, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So I got him this one and it does have some other ones like to move your hand and supposedly has some markers. So we're gonna be studying this every day. Hold up though. So look, it has like the month of the year, it has like sports, small and big, and it has like the shapes. This one, I feel these are really good if you want to. Oh, okay, I know what this is. So for the part 2 video, I did get some a dresser for the room because the dresser that we have is broken. So I decided to get a new dresser, but we're gonna switch to the dresser that is like this material. Which is come in handy. I feel like this is really good for us beginners because I feel like, you know, as a beginner, you have to start off with the bottom and then you get up. And it doesn't have this. But I feel like it's better though because that one is supposed to come with just 2 if it does. So regardless, and they're gray. So I was like, let me just get the actual set of 8, which will be all black. Because the room is black theme with green bed sheets. So yeah. So I got that from Amazon as well. Okay, so first thing I got were these bubble pots. These are so small and they're like so flat. Okay. I mean, I don't open them, but they do look kind of small. Okay, so I got this because I am tired of getting bubbles for my kid at Walmart and they literally only last me like 1 week. And I heard that these are really good, that you put like 1 little pot into the water and it like forms a lot of bubble. And another thing about the bubbles is that as soon as he gets in, they go away. I'm like, I don't really like that because my kid wants to like play and have fun with his toys, mix it with the bubbles and whatnot. So I heard this one's good. So I did get in the regular, just like unscented. They had so many. They had bubblegum, orange, lime, no, not lime, lavender. They had so many, but my kid does have like sensitive skin, so I was like, let me just get, I feel like the unscented would be best. So I did get in this one, and I did get the 10 pack. They had the 8 pack, but it was sold out. So I was like, let me get the 10, and if it works, then I'll repurchase it. If not, if it doesn't work, but I'm gonna still use it and I just won't repurchase it. But so then I got this Cars on the Road, what's it called? Yeah, I got this because the thing that he has, you like build it, like you add it. You see? Mama. Like you make it bigger. Mama. So one of the parts that parts is like this, and I did get this with his money because he did get like 350 for his birthday money, and I got him a table, and I tried to get him this and another one. That's all. And yesterday he got 2 toys at Walmart. And that's all. Literally, I think there's gonna be left like $180, and that's gonna be for me. Okay, and then the last thing that I got was this, another one of preschool learning. So this is the same brand as the one that I have gotten him before, and it's really good. But I got him this one for English because I'm gonna be teaching him this one every day. I think I'm gonna be doing this one twice a week or once a week for his learning. But it would just be strictly all English. But the main language he is learning is Spanish. My kid knows what this is because he keeps like wanting to like open it so bad. I'm like, yo, chill out. I don't know how I do it. Doesn't even like give nothing away. Last thing that I got him is like a dinosaur one, and he has this little car, so he is gonna have duplicate, but it's like the dinosaur one. And yeah, look at this. So it's a dinosaur. So yeah, that is all that I got for this part of the video, which is part 1. Tomorrow I will be showing y'all part 2 and part 3, so stay tuned for that. Part 2 didn't arrive just yet, so I am going to be waiting another day to show y'all the remaining item that I got from my little Amazon wish list. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. Go run and check it out. Yeah, y'all, so hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for part 2, and I'll see you then. Yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all my last 2 items that I have, which is part 2 of my Amazon wish list. Do a Sephora one, but that's going to be not in this video. So when I do that video, then I'll show y'all and everything. I also did mention y'all want like a book recommendation video, which I do like my wish list of books that I want, and then I'll show you the book that I got. Because I do have a little errand run to do on Sunday. So I probably, if y'all want that, I can definitely do that. But one of the big things that I ordered, which I don't even think I can. So I got this, which is going to be my new shelf. So, well, not like a shelf, it's like a clothes shelf. Because the one that we got, which is this one right here, it's not in no more. I feel like it is gonna make the room more smaller because this is big, which I want like a big one and like 2 small ones. But this is gonna be longer and smaller. I just got 1 box. I just got 2 more things. There is another item that the main reason why I got all these stuff from Amazon, because I was gonna get this main thing, which was my kids' table. Tell me why it got moved to Thursday. So I was like, okay, perfect. It got moved again until next week, Tuesday. So I'm really pissed about that because I'm like, why? Like, it's so annoying. Now I gotta wait because I'm so tired. My room literally filled with his toys, and we are gonna get rid of that little toy basket. You can't really see it, but it's like a toy basket. It's all ugly now because like the ones you like, they like band, like they expand when like you add me a toy. It just looks ugly for me. So y'all, what I got? Y'all might be thinking I got something for him. Okay. So first thing that so this is how they look. And I also wanted to get this because I can probably make like cute pancake for my kid, you know, switch it up like breakfast. I can do like strawberries. Bad thing is I don't got fruit no more. We just have raspberries, so I don't know how to do that. But I got this and it looks really nice. So next thing I got is the other pack of markers. I got the regular one. Yesterday I went to Ross. I wanted to see if I find like a compartment or something, like a little organizer, because I really don't want to carry them and I don't want to have it in a bag. I feel like that's gonna be kind of annoying, but I can't find none. They had one, but it was giving very home. It wasn't really giving like, it was giving like you know, to put like your mail. It had like flour. It was just not it. I left last minute. This one, on the part 1, I got the Calior, which I already tried them out. This one does too, so I think it's just so random. I did get the other one from TJ Maxx, and they don't have no smell, so these are like super new to me, but they both have smell. The ink is inflammable liquid, so I can't have a candle near this.
But yeah, so you have the pastel ones all for my little purchases because I've been getting too many markers, which is so random because I would not have spent money on markers. But I'm in my little coloring era. So yeah, y'all. So all of these items that I did end up getting will be linked in my description box. Don't forget to stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to hit that like and hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.